Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to select and delete multiple photos at once in your Android phone gallery. So I made this video for you are new in a Android phone, or this is your first Android phone in your life. So it's very easy. Go to your gallery and you can go to your album. For example, I wanna delete all my screenshots a photo. It's very easy. You can hold one of your photo or one of your picture and then select all. If you wanna deselect one of your photo, you wanna keep one, you can deselect one of or even two photo that you want to keep, and you can tap this delete button and gone. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.